So our last menu in Microsoft Excel is the view menu. Let's see what is it about. Like you have seen that in Microsoft Word you have seen page views. In Microsoft Excel you can see the workbook views. There are 5 types of workbook views. First one is the normal one you are looking at. This is the normal view. The second one is page break. It will show you your sheet in form of pages. It will show you if you make them in the form of pages, how much pages will be consumed. Next option is page layout. It will show it like Microsoft Word pages. If you will click the normal, you will go to the same previous situation again. Next one is about the custom view. Like you have studied bookmark in Microsoft Word. In the bookmark, we have studied that to select a paragraph and make it a bookmark. You can select that bookmark anytime. For example, in this worksheet, I need to come on this data again and again. I will select it and I will click custom view and I will click add button. Now Excel is asking us to write a name for that custom view. I'm going to write the name A. Now it's okay. If you go to any part of that sheet, you want to come back to the same custom view, just click custom view and choose show. It will take you to the same position. Next option is grid line. You can switch off the grid line, formula bar, heading. Everything is now turned off. Click the grid line, it will switch on again. Click the formula bar, it will be displayed on the top. Click the headings, ABC and 1, 2, 3 will be placed on your sheet. Next option is zoom. The standard zoom for Excel sheet is 100%. You can change the zoom by yourself. Normal is 100%. Zoom to selection is also available here. You can select the zoom whatever you want. Next option is new window. New window is used to create another copy of that Excel sheet. Let's see. Now we have sales report part 2. Now go to view menu again, arrange all. Tile, it will tile both sheets on screen like that. If you will click here, arrange all and choose horizontal, it will align them horizontally on your screen. If you will click arrange all again, click vertical, it will place them vertically. If you will click arrange all again and click cascade, it will align them front and back. This is cascade alignment. This was about arranging of 2 sheets. Next option is freeze span and split. Both have the same purpose. What is the purpose of freeze span and split? Let's look over it before we are going to discuss something. Like we are moving down in the data. Here you have seen that my headings are now disappeared. Now I don't know what is this cell, what is this cell and what is this cell. So I will go to the top of my sheet. I will click below the heading line and click freeze spans. Now I'll move down. You can see that I can see my headings till the last record. If I move in the forward direction, you can see that I can see my heading. So freeze span has jammed my heading line. My data will be moved, but my heading will not move. Okay. Now, if you want to go back to your data in the standard form, just go to freeze span and click unfreeze spans. Okay. Next option is splits. The purpose of the split is also same. Just click on split button and move downward. You can see that my data is moving, but my heading is not moving. I can see the heading till last record. If you want to remove the split, just click split button again. Split will remove the option. Next is hide. Hide is used to hide your Excel sheets. Now both of my sheets are hidden. Unhide. Unhide, click your sheet number and click OK. It will bring your sheet on the top. View side by side will show your both sheets on top and bottom. Switch window is used to select the file from your open windows. This is about the view menu. There is another command also, macro. What does the macro means? Macro means a permanent copy. Let's see how can we make a macro. To make a macro, go to macro and click record macro. Now give a macro name. I'm going to give it a name of ASD, and now you'll see a recording button over here. Now you can add something to your macro. For example, I'm going to type here result sheet. I say first column will be roll number, name, father name, class, English, maths, physics, bio, chemistry, Urdu, Islamic studies, social studies, total, obtained, percentage, grade. Now I'm going to apply some formatting over it from home menu. Let's see. Margin center. I'm going to increase the size of top heading. I'm going to select these headings also. I'll make them bold. I'll set the background as black color, and I'll set the text color in white. Now I want the same set of data here. Okay. For that purpose, first of all, I'll go to view menu and I'll stop recording. The whole thing that I've done to this sheet is now recorded. Okay. I want it on this sheet. I will go to macro and click view macros, and now I'll click run. It will do the same data here in seconds. Okay. If I want it on another sheet, I will choose another sheet. I will click go to macro. I will click view macros, and I will click run. It will again run that data on that sheet in seconds. Okay. Last menu is the help menu is about the help of Microsoft Excel that is online. You can contact to the Excel support. You can send your feedback. You can see the training of Microsoft Excel here also by Microsoft. Like Microsoft is quick start, rows and column, functions, everything is in the form of tutorials. You can download it, you can use it. This is the help of Microsoft Excel. So this was because to show you how to learn Microsoft Excel. If you have any problem, you can see your help menu, and here you have training of Microsoft Excel that has been provided by Microsoft. Okay, that's all about Microsoft